is a mess. Can you guys see? Actually, everywhere here is scattered, and that's because there are a lot of clothes that these kids have outgrown. It's almost like none of the clothes here even fit them anymore. So I want to declutter. I already have some here that I've been bringing out one after the other. But today I just want to like take out. Today I just want to take out everything and know that even if it's 3 clothes that is remaining, I know that it is 3 clothes that fit them, and 3 clothes that they have, and 3 clothes that they can wear. I'm not seeing clothes, but when you don't want to pick out clothes, it's like a hassle and all of that. So yeah, that's what I want to do, and at the same time pick out outfit for church on Sunday. Today is Friday, so let me bring out outfits we can wear, mine as well, the boys' own, and then try and get them ironed and ready. I don't know if you guys can see my oga. Allow me to walk. Shift. Step over here, boo. Good morning. My energy is not high, my energy is not up there because my back hurts like mad. I don't even know how I was able to do everything I did today. This morning, washed, made breakfast for the kids, did a lot of other things. I just felt like I knew that I needed to do what I had to do. Like, my back hurt so badly since yesterday. I don't know. Anyways, guys, today is Saturday, and guys, the number of clothes I washed today, oh god, I'm even surprised, like very surprised that I found what to wear, because it was like almost like I washed the whole of my closet. I don't know why I piled up my clothes like that, but I washed it today, and I washed all of them. Part of me was saying I'm not going to wash all today, I'm just going to wash some, but when I started, I was like, you know what, just wash everything, challenge yourself. Anyways, I didn't wash everything. I kept some that I'll give to the dry cleaner, but they're not even much. They're just like 5, I think, just 5. The rest I washed them, and the dry cleaners are still with some of my clothes that I've not collected. Like, anyways, I washed, I made pancakes for the boys, and I am heading out now. I want to go buy skincare products. My face cleanser and my moisturizer finished at the same time. Oh my god, why did they have to finish at the same time? Why did they have to finish at the same time? I wouldn't have gone today because my back hurts, like I mentioned, and I'm tired from all the washing, cooking and everything. But today is Saturday. If I don't get it today, I can't get it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Next tomorrow is Monday, sit at home, so I have to get it Tuesday, and I don't even know if I have the time, because this week I was very busy, and that's why I couldn't get the products to this week. So today is like my only day to get it, because I don't think I can manage it for this weekend. Yeah, and I was supposed to go to the market today because I need to cook soups, but I wrote list for my husband and he will go to the market. I've already sent the list to him, so maybe by the time I'm back he should be back, and then I would cook. I want to make soups this weekend. How do you apply sunscreen with your wigs on? Right. I feel like I should just talk to you guys then. I've not worn my jewelry, and then round off and head out. I also need to carve my brows, and I'll do that at Brass. If you're familiar with Abia, you know Brass Junction, all those people that stay there, because my eyebrows look terrible, like very terrible. I've been procrastinating, but I've not had the time. Like I said, I've not even had that. Whenever I carve my brows and they come out very fine, you know, then you realize that it was microbladed and it looks very fine. I will say, oh, I'll never allow my eyebrows to grow bushy again. But then again, I'll still allow it. Like, I need to take it very serious, because now it looks horrible. The microblading, everything has disappeared. It just looks like I'm carrying very bushy black something there. But that's the first thing I'll get done before even going to get my skincare product, because yeah, my cornrows underneath this hair are very bad as well. I need to get it done, but honestly I don't have the time today. This is already past 12, so I don't think I'll have the time for my hair today. But yeah, I would see you guys later. Let me just wear very minimal jewelry and head out. Okay, yeah, I need to take my glasses as well because sun is hot. So this is obviously a weekend vlog. I started vlogging on Friday. Today is Saturday. Hopefully we carry along with the vlog, and yeah, it's a weekend vlog. Welcome to the vlog, welcome to the channel. We are reporting live from Abia State, Nigeria. I'm sure you already know that, but if you did not, now you know. Yeah, please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and give the video a thumbs up. Share to family, friends, colleagues, well wishers, everybody. Okay, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I've said okay like a million times, but yeah.
A few moments later.
Guys, I am back. I had to hurriedly take out my clothes. I didn't waste time. I don't even know where my other phone is. Okay. Oh, just few minutes past 2 o'clock, and yeah, I got my skincare products and I got my brows carved. And yeah, I met a subscriber. Oh my god. Anyways, he's not just a subscriber. We are both workers in our school fellowship. Just in case you did not know, I went to Abia State University too. So yeah, we are both workers in the same department in church, in school, right? So I didn't even know how she found my channel, but she had been watching I know she watches my videos because she leaves comments here and there. And today too that I met her, she was like, she watches all my videos. Once you post it, I watch it. I'm like, oh, thank you, Georgina. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber and being a supporter. It means a lot to me. And you look so beautiful. You look so beautiful today. Maybe you've always been a fine girl. So yeah, I bought my cleanser. I always switch between the renewing cleanser and the smoothing cleanser. This one is the smoothing one. I've googled the difference and it's not a lot. So yeah, so far is this clear gel. I'm gonna buy it. And then I changed my moisturizer. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I always wanted to change my moisturizer. I use the CeraVe moisturizer, just the normal, that their regular face and body moisturizer, but I really wanted to stop using it because I want everything I'm using for my face to be just for face and not face and body. And also I think that one is for dry skin, even though it's not bad on my skin, you know, but I feel like it would do better for dry skin. So I told them to recommend a moisturizer for oily skin that is not too pricey because I don't want to spend so much money, and they recommended this. I've used simple product before, but I think the toner, I don't even know what that one did for me, if it did anything. That was like far many years ago when I started my skincare newly. I don't know, but you know, they recommended it. I'm like, okay. And I went through it and I like things it has. It has niacinamide, which is perfect for oily skin. It has vitamin B5, it has vitamin E, it has plant-based glycerin. And like, okay, why not? Yeah, so it's quite small. I just realized I don't open it there. I just wanted to buy and leave there and come back because my boys are alone at home, so I just had to hurry up. I just realized I didn't even open it. It's actually small. No wonder it was the price. It was that price. I'm hoping it does what it's supposed to do on my face, which is just moisturize and hydrate at this point, because moisturizer is not really supposed to do much, right? So anyways, I got this for 25,000, and I got this for 8,000, 10,000. They're not giving me receipts. 8,000 I think, then 25,000. Anyways, my husband is back. He actually dropped everything in the house and he left, so I'm about to enter the kitchen. I want to go make okra soup and afang soup and okra soup. I'm tired and my back still hurts, but yeah, I gotta cook. Hello. Hello. Is that Neto? Hello. Hello. Whenever my husband goes to the market, this is always the result. Excess of everything. Because tell me why butter leaf is this much. I mean, with time it's going to go down, but yeah, let me try stir it and make it go down. Okay. And just like that, our full pot has turned to this. Hey, all these leaves will give you hope, eh? Anyways, I'm just waiting for some of this water to dry up and then I'll continue with the cooking.
International business, baby. Import, export, oh, big money. Just like that, she just spend it.
Guys, I want to make my beans is already washed and peeled. Still have some peels here, but yeah. So this is my beans, and then I have onions, tatashe. I don't have shombo, so I'll use tatashe, and then I'm just going to use two pepper because I'm making it for the boys, so I don't need it to be too peppery. But when I mix everything, I'll test it and know if I'll add more pepper. My crayfish is already blended, so yeah, let's mix everything. Blending assistant. Oh yeah. Guys, I opened my freezer and I realized that I have this pepper safe, so I'm going to add it.